Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna go over the 5 things I think Samsung should do on the next Galaxy Z Fold. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 just came out and I'm just thinking of the future. These are the things that I hope that Samsung will fix on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or some improvements that I hope they would do. Now let me make this disclaimer. This is not bashing the Galaxy Z Fold 3 at all. I'm enjoying the phone. If you haven't checked out my videos, look in the description. I will have the playlist there. You can see all the videos that I have done on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This video is more of, some improvements or some wishes that I have with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And again, it's not bashing the 3 at all. These are my opinions or my things I wish for. If you have anything else that you want to add to it, let me know in the comments. So I don't want to make the video too long. Let's get into it. The first thing that I would recommend changing or fixing, and I said it in many videos, is that front display. I don't know, make it about a 1/2 inch wider. Right now it's a little skinny. It looks like the Essential phone that never came out. But, so about 3/4 of an inch or even a 1/2 inch wider, and that would be a great improvement. Yes, it will also make the bigger screen bigger. I don't know. I don't know if Samsung can't do it. I don't know, what's stopping them, but that is the first thing that I wish Samsung would do on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The second thing that I wish that they would do is increase the battery. I know there's not much room. Look, if you look at the profile of the phone, it's not much room to fit a different battery in there or even 2 batteries like they have now, but I don't know, even a little bit more, you probably would get a lot better battery life, and it's just something that I think this phone actually needs. Again, it doesn't have to be like 2,000 milliamp hours more, just maybe 1,000 or even 750, and that probably would make a big deal on the battery life, which my battery life has been improving on the Z Fold 3. Stay tuned, I probably will come back with like a 2-week later video also. The third thing that I wish is that Samsung would put the best of the best on the cameras on this phone. Again, the Z Fold 3 has some great cameras. I put it against the Pixel 5, the OnePlus 9 Pro, and it did really great. It actually looked better than most of those phones. I just wish they had better cameras and put the best of the best on there, because they didn't even upgrade it from the Fold 2. So hopefully on the Z Fold 4, they put the best of the best cameras. Even in that front display, which you can't even see, look, it's barely showing right there. Even in that one, make it a little bit better, which I know they probably will. So stay tuned. We will definitely find out, what Samsung can do with this camera. So the cameras are third thing that I hope that they will improve for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. All right, so the fourth thing that I wish they would do is improve on the hinge. And that may even help this crease in there. But I'm just looking for dust resistance. I'm always worrying that dust is going to get in there some kind of way. And that would be devastating to me if dust got in there. So maybe they can improve it, and then also improve it so that way they don't have that little gap there. I don't know how they could do it. I'm not an engineer, but that would be cool if that gap wasn't there and the hinge was dust resistant. I know it's water resistant right now, but dust resistant would be great too. Don't get me wrong. Again, it's not a bad hinge. It's definitely an improvement from the Z Fold 1 or the, Fold 1. But I think they could do a little bit better, especially with that gap too. And it would just be something to look forward to on the next, wave of Galaxy Fold 4s coming out. Or future devices, should I say. All right, so number 5 is a big deal. I know a lot of people have commented in my comments, and also since they are taking away the Galaxy Note series, put this pen somewhere. I know it won't fit in there now because it's fatter than what the whole case is or the phone is right now. Maybe redesign the pen. I don't know. Again, I don't work for Samsung, but these are just some ideas that they could actually do. Fit the pen some kind of way into the phone. By making a bigger screen, maybe you give it a little bit more extra room in here to have the space in there. You just have to, you know, thin out the pen a little bit. That way we don't have to buy floppy cases like this, you know? So I think that's a big one for everybody, is to put the pen in the phone so you don't have to carry separately. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that one. All right, so let's throw one more in there, bonus reason or bonus upgrade that I wish you can see on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. And it's not actually with Samsung, but hopefully more developers optimize their apps for folding devices. You know, hopefully Google can work with Samsung. Samsung can work with everybody else to get this optimized for most of the apps. That would be great. I know a lot of people talk about that too. So that's one thing that I hope too. So that was the bonus one. So I just gave you 6. So let's wrap it up. Those are the 6 things I would like to see improve on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Again, like I said earlier, if you have any other hopes or dreams with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, let me know, or any improvements, should I say. Let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the latest tech. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.